Hello my friends, and welcome to the Retro Guy channel. So I finally took some time to create a home studio here, so hopefully the quality is going to be a little bit better now. I have some actual lights, and I found a decent camera that I'm using here. I'm actually using another camera that is up here, so well, let's see how that goes. So today I have this box that arrived from eBay. This is a Powerbook 1400 series that supposedly is not working. So we're going to open this up, we're going to see the state of it, and then later on I'm going to actually test it before I start the disassembly and cleaning up and eventually like fixing anything that might be damaged. So let's just start with the opening. So whoever packaged this apparently packaged well, so I'm only going to actually find it out after I open this up. Okay, so let's find it out. So this is the moment of truth. Let's open this up. How we are going to open this up? Okay, so that's not too hard, is it? Yeah. So far so good. Looks like again like it has been well packaged. So yeah. So let's remove it from the box here. There is nothing else inside, so we can put this away. And I think I can also like get rid of this. Well, not really, because I have to open this now. Yeah, I'm going to need this back. So this is mainly like a test video to test the setup that I have here with the lights and the cameras and the mic that now I have it, which hopefully will also... Okay, so yeah, I remember this. So this here, as you can see, like this is the CD plate, the face plate for the CD-ROM. I have seen this before, like it breaks, and normally it's very easy to glue this back. I have done this on another 1400 series that I have. So let's see if I can do the same here. So let's finish open this up. Okie dokie. Okay, so let's start by the overall state of the case. Just looking at it, it looks fine. Like I don't see any major damage or anything. Some scuffs, of course. Even the back cover is present, which is a bonus, I think. Normally this in older Powerbooks it's not there. Yeah, it looks really good. Like the overall state of this machine is actually fabulous. So let's start by removing the CD-ROM here. So it's going to be easier actually to fix the plate, the face plate, by removing it just like I did. So yeah, that should be fairly straightforward. As you can see, like it fits perfectly. I just need to eventually glue this up in a way that it doesn't fall off. So it should be okay. I really don't see a big problem doing so. So I'm going to focus on that as soon as I find out whether or not this is working. Let's open this up. Well, I mean like open the lid, and let's check the state. Well, the hinges are very good actually. So yes, the hinges are apparently in very good shape. Hopefully the upper camera here is able to get the image. keyboard looks okay. I don't see any damage or anything. Everything really looks fine. Like it doesn't look like anyone has been here before. Like I can see all the screws and everything, like they don't look like they have been ever opened. So yeah, this is going to be a fun project. I'm going to use this new setup to actually film every single step. I'm going to open this up, I'm going to clean everything up. Before I actually open this up, we are going to test it out. We're going to see whether or not this is working. I have the power source for it. I'm going to plug it in, we are going to test it, and then we go from there. Okay, so stick with me. I'll be back with this nice new project.